Steps to install SAP Router in SAP. What is SAP Router? SAP Router is a software component used to enhance the security of network communication between your SAP systems and the SAP support infrastructure, such as SAP's support portal. It acts as a proxy between your internal network and SAP's network, ensuring secure communication. Here are the steps to install SAP Router. Prerequisites. Ensure you have the necessary hardware and software resources for the SAP Router installation. You'll need the SAPROUTER software package, which can be downloaded from the SAP Software Download Center, SAP Support Portal. You should also have your SAP's user credentials ready for downloading the software. Download SAP Router. Log into the SAP Software Download Center using your user ID. Search for the SAP Router software in the download catalog. Select the appropriate version of SAP Router for your operating system and download it. Prepare the installation. Ensure that the host where you plan to install SAP Router meets the system requirements mentioned in the installation documentation. Make sure your system is properly backed up, as the installation process may involve changes to the system configuration. Installation. Transfer the downloaded SAP Router software to the target host. Extract the software package if it's in compressed format. Follow the installation instructions provided in the documentation specific to your operating system. The installation typically involves setting up a directory structure, configuring files, and installing necessary libraries and dependencies. Configuration. After the installation, you need to configure SAP Router. Create a SAP Router configuration file that defines the rules for routing traffic. Configure your SAP Router to connect to the SAP support infrastructure. You will need the SAP Router string provided by SAP for this purpose. Learn with Whizlabs, Success Certified.